Meaning of eulogize.
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 Eulogize. Eulogize means to praise someone or something in a formal speech or written work, often given at a funeral or memorial service. It is a way of honoring and commemorating the deceased by highlighting their positive qualities and accomplishments. The result of eulogizing is to create a sense of closure and comfort for those who are grieving, while also celebrating the life of the person who has passed. Eulogies can be emotional and powerful, bringing people together to remember and cherish the memory of their loved one.